Thank you so much for joining. It's been quite some time since I've uploaded a video or a tutorial. I've designed quite a few kits and I got carried away a little bit, so I had no time left to record anything. So for this kit, I'll show you quickly a preview and I'll just show you how to make the actual kind of folder folio. It's easy, but maybe if you are making it, the pieces on the first few pages may look a bit confusing, so I thought I'll just share this with you. So it opens like this, and with the rest of the pages, I think there are 13 pages, it's quite a freestyle one thing after you creating the folio. So I've used the pages there to create this little book, and then this flap opens. Don't know if you can see all of it. So there is a pocket here, there is a pocket here, there are all these extra bits. I've used these triangles as a mini kind of a card holder, so I'm gonna add maybe some more pockets and add some few bits in here. I meant like a tag holder, and yeah, the pockets here, the tags, all these little bits here as well. And I will show you how I do this now. So I've used this pocket. There is an extra mini kind of I use this paper, sewn the edges so to create like a larger pocket, and add all the extra bits that I left to use, for example, in here. So when I was cutting the pockets, I had, is it here? No, here. Yes, so I had these bits left here, so I'll just use it to create this mini kind of banner. So let me show you now how I do this. This comes here. Okay. So, if you are going to make this kit, I'd suggest that you print the pages first, at least the first 4 pages, trim around and then rejoin. Just to mention that the first page is this bit that folds into kind of the main piece, the center piece. The second page is this extra flap that goes, now I've lost my order, no, this extra flap that goes to create this extra opening, and there are the triangles here that comes from the side. Now that's the first 3 pages, no, first 1, 2, 3. Then the 4th page is for the pockets, but what I've done is on the 5th page there is a background page which I've used for the book as well, but I've used this as no, sorry, I'm confusing this. Let me start again. First page, second page comes here, third page it's this, and I've added then this extra pockets, and then the 4th page, it's the background page which I've used to print on the back. So when you open these, then it's printed both sides. So it just happens, yes, that these are printed as well, but I didn't want to leave these ones blank, and I didn't want to have half of a page wasted. So this is how it goes. The first page is this one, you fold into 2 and stick. I'll do this quickly now. I'll mention as well that I inked the edges of everything. So with this you can either do it with a sponge or just like me, the easiest way, I just go like this, so it gives an extra edge to the sides. So I've done all of my pieces already. So I've folded this, the first page, into two, and then I'm sticking it back to back. A bit too early. I wasn't concentrating, maybe concentrating speaking. This bit comes here from the back. This goes inside here. So I'm gonna add a bit of glue to this bit here. So when you're printing this, you will see the writing here kind of upside down, but it just for the purpose of when you are opening it, the writing is in the correct way. So now I'm doing this. So now we've got this bit open, first sides open. I'm gonna add a bit of glue here. Yeah, so this bit needs also to be stuck as well. So both first pages you fold into two. And now I'm sticking this bit. It doesn't need a lot of glue, just mainly the edges so it won't open. And now to the corner, to the triangles coming from the side. So it comes like this. So basically it's stuck from the back here. So let's make sure just the writing the correct way, like this. So I'm going to add glue to this side. So you're covering the back basically. Centering. Now just go over from the back, and same here, writing correct way, yes. Just glue here on the inside of the flap. So I've already, before the video, I've trimmed these pieces and I folded these mini flaps. Oh, not thinking well. Clearly I cannot speak and do and stick at the same time. Okay. And now this part is finished. And then you make like 2 holes here and then a ribbon in the middle. You don't have to, but it's nice that it holds everything together. And this bit now is open here. I think I need to stick it slightly better. So it needs to be on the edge here. Yes, and now you can go over with a bit of ink as well here. So now all the writing is in the correct way. This is facing me, facing me, facing me. Now to the pocket. So basically this bit, you can put it anywhere you like, but I've chosen the big one to go here. So it covers this, the joining part here. And I had another pocket. You can put it here. I think I've put mine here. And there is another pocket you can put here. Basically you can play with these. You can maybe put one here, and another one comes here, and another one comes here. This is, well, anyway, the way that I've done mine. You can do it the other way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once they're stuck, you fill up your folio with all these bits you can create. I'll just go quickly again through this. So I've created this book. I didn't do any stitching or anything. I just put a ribbon in the middle, and I'm gonna keep decorating the middle pages. And these are all my extra beads. The way that I've done this, I've punched the top here, I've added this ribbon, put a bit of lace here, and to create a pocket. These beads are just bind together, but you can use it or put it in the book. These little tags, yeah, I decorated, and this extra tag here, and these beads I just put a bit of lace to decorate it so it's not too flat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will enjoy making this, and if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you so much.